Nanjing Teyun Machinery Manufacture Company Limited was founded in 2010 and has a history of more than 10 years. Teyun is a professional manufacturing enterprise with many years' experience in designing and manufacturing hydraulic machines. It is a key enterprise that produces various hydraulic equipment in China with strong technical force, advanced production equipment, and complete testing methods. Leading products include scrap metal shears, aluminum extrusion press, hydraulic metal baler, vertical baler, horizontal baler, briquetting machine, and so on. There are more than 80 varieties in total. We always adhere to be pragmatic, innovative, pioneering, and enterprising. With rich experience in designing and good capabilities of equipment processing and manufacturing, we can design and manufacture various non-standard hydraulic machinery according to the special requirement and offer the whole line solution plans to the customers. We serve major waste recycling companies, large steel mills, aluminum profiles companies, sanitation systems, etc. We become one of the most promising domestic manufacturing enterprise and have a huge influence on the hydraulic equipment industry. For overseas markets, we have a professional team who are familiar with overseas markets. We exported to Japan, Russia, Australia, Germany, Ukraine, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions. Our high-quality performance and service have won the recognition and repurchase of overseas buyers. Same time, in some countries, we have set up brand agents to serve local countries. We sincerely welcome you to join our agency team and start a pleasant cooperation.